In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a time on page conversion event within Optibase. So first things first, when would you actually want to use that? Well, to track user engagement. There's two ways to track user engagement with Optibase, one of which is scroll depth, link in the description to that one as well. But when you would want to use time on page is typically when scroll is not an accurate indicator of engagement. So let's say you have a page which is just one section that takes up the whole screen. They're both 0 and 100% scrolled at the exact same time. But if you have something like a video on that page which users can watch, perhaps that video is 1 minute long, it would be very good to track people who were on that page for at least 45 seconds. That's when you would want to use this. Here's how to set it up. First things first, in your Optibase dashboard, go to the Conversions tab and click on New Conversion. Now give it a name, and in this case, we're going to call it Watch the Demo Video. Then for the type, go ahead and select Time on Page. Then you're going to want to set the amount of time. So in this case, we're going to set it to 45 seconds. Now we can set the URL to measure. So let's just say this is on our demo page, which is at /demo. So in this case, I'm going to set it to same domain path. And the reason is because we only have one URL in our Optibase dashboard. If you have multiple different root domains, you're going to want to go ahead and do the full URL. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go /demo, just like that. And then in this case, we only want to count it once per user because it doesn't bring us much value for someone to watch our demo 8 times. It doesn't make any difference. So we only want to count it once per user. That is it. Now I'm going to click on Create Conversion. And that is it. The only thing you have left to do is connect it to a test, which you set up on the test page.